And then you divide it 4 and 1 basically take. And then very carefully smells nice. So now make a little one. Take. Take them. Put 2 on top of each other.